Welcome to the unboxing of the Sony WF-1000XM6 earbuds. These are the new ones, the successors to the XM5 earbuds. Now, this is the packaging. Let's check it out and see what comes inside the box. So first thing I'm going to do is just tear this off. There you go, just like that. Put that away. And then now let's pick this up. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to pick it up the other way. Okay, so where it says 1000XM6 series, or rather 1000X series, you pick that up and then you'll see your earbuds first. Okay, so I'm gonna try and open this like this, and then like this. There you go. So we have this gray color. So it's a much smaller and thinner case than the previous version. Okay, and this is a matte gray color. And then we'll put that to the side momentarily and just put all these pieces of paper away. We can just pick this up and see what else comes in the box. So first we have some documentation inside here. That's your warranty and your quick start guide. Okay, that's all in here. And then we have the extra tips, one of which seems to have come off. So you have your extra tips, and these are foam padded tips. We have the extra small, we have small, large, and I'm sure we have the medium on the earbuds themselves. Okay, and then you have a type A to type C charger, which charges the earbuds via the type C port on the case. Okay, now again, I'm gonna just put all this stuff to the side just like that, and then have a proper look at the earbuds themselves. So that's the case, and the earbuds are much easier to remove from the case. They're much thinner and better sounding. Okay, from what I've read anyway. Of course, I'll be making tests and subsequent videos, so make sure you get subscribed not to miss any of that. But that's what the earbuds look like. Okay, so that's what comes in the box of your Sony WF-1000XM6 earbuds. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.